Welcome to Mama's Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. Today we are here with Granny Stop garlic Parmesan wings, everybody. Yes. We are frying them in some nice hot vegetable oil here. And this is what we're going to do. It's very simple. It's not that hard to do. We're going to make sure we brown it nicely, not too overly cooked because we want it to be still juicy. Now we're going to let it dry off on this paper towel area here while we prepare our sauce. Now we're going to use the garlic Parmesan sauce by Kraft Deluxe, and I like that. And we're going to add in some couple of tablespoons of minced garlic and some good old Parmesan cheese. Now, I prefer Parmesan cheese, but everybody's budget may not allow, but it's okay to use grated cheese. And some people use grated cheese, and I prefer the grated cheese that's like in the refrigerator section that has a lid. It's like fresh grated cheese. It just tastes a little bit better. Whatever your budget may allow. We're going to pour it in a bowl, mix it all together, and look at that. These is Granny Stops right here. I'm telling you, it's going to be the same as that restaurant y'all be going to. But look at here. We're going to take these nice, cooled off, not really cooled off, but drained wings, and we're going to go ahead and shake it up into the bowl. Now, some people might have a silver bowl, but we're going to do it Granny Stop way, okay? Granny Stop had plastic bowls, okay? All right, here we go. I'm going to lay some of the wings inside this bowl of Parmesan garlic over there sauce. We're going to push them over here in the Louisiana rub that we made up together over here. We're going to go ahead and put some more over here in the garlic Parmesan. We're going to push some more Louisiana rub. And more in the Louisiana rub. And we're going to do another Parmesan. And another Parmesan. And we're going to do a Louisiana rub. And another Parmesan. And another Louisiana rub. All right, now we're going to take this bowl here. Now, some people do the silver bowl. Sometimes you just have to pick it up bowl and just wash it in. Knock it around like your mama baby. Knock it around. That's how you do it. Woo, grandmother. Look at that. Look at that. My daughter. Look at that. Season of a Louisiana rub on you. Okay, this is a homemade Louisiana season rub that we made. Shake it around. Look at that. It's nice and hot. See that? I'm doing this one first because this one has more liquid on this one. That's it. It is game day season, everybody. I'm telling you, if you want to know how to make these garlic Parmesan fried chicken wings, I'm going to tell you right now, it's just like Wingstop. And it's good enough just for everybody to enjoy at your tailgate. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button below because we have a lot more coming real soon about some nice NFL tailgate food, everybody. Yes, and party wings. Yes.